Hello everyone, so today in this video we are going to solve lead code question number 167. The question says 2 sum 2. Input array is sorted. It's a medium level question. Let's read the question. Given in one indexed array of integers, num that is already sorted and non-zero, find the sum that is target, let return and each incremented by 1 at array. Okay. Okay, let's make it easy. Let's make it easy because it's a rule. We don't read the full question description. Let's make it easy. What the question is asking. The input array will be sorted. The input array is sorted. Okay, and we need to find the two numbers that sum up to the target. So target is 9. Okay, what are the two numbers that sum up to the target 9? We have to find the two numbers. Here what are the two numbers 2 and 7 that sum up to the 9. Now the question is asking to return the index of the two numbers. Index of 2 is 0, index of 7 is 1, and increment both the index by 1. You can see here each incremented by 1. So here the index is 0 1, and I will increment 0, which is 1, and I will increment 1, which is 2. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope you got the question. Now how we are going to solve this? We have to find two numbers. Okay, we have to find two numbers that sum up to the target. Now the naive approach, always think about the naive approach first. Okay, in interviews also give the naive approach first. Okay, then give the optimized approach. The naive approach is, which is also known as brute force. The brute force approach is that I'll run nested loop. I will run nested loop for I in range num numbers. I'm not writing it complete. Okay, just for your information, I'm telling you. And another loop will be inside nested loop for j in range, again length of numbers, and I will write I plus j. I will write a condition is I plus j equals to a target. If it is equal to the target, then just return the index incremented by 1. Okay, this is the naive approach. Okay, brute force approach. The optimal approach this optimal approach of this problem is using two pointers. Okay, okay, how are we gonna use two pointers? Let's see here. I will place my L here. I will place my left pointer here and my right pointer here. Now the benefit, and we are why are we using the two pointers, is because the benefit is that they are giving us a sorted array. They are giving a sorted array to us. So L and R, and another thing will be that another point to note that your solution must use only constant extra space. So we can only use O of one space, O big O of one space we can use. We cannot use any other extra space. Okay, now left is here, right is here. What I will do, array is sorted, that's why we are doing two pointers. Now we are going to sum the left plus r is I will put a condition, is left plus r equals to the target, are they? If they are equal to the target, then simply return the index of the two numbers. If they are not equal, let's say if the sum of both the numbers is less than the target, that means we need more numbers. And array is sorted. Left, if I increment left by 1, I will get bigger numbers, right? As left will move forward, I will get bigger numbers. And as right will move backward, I will get less numbers, means smaller numbers. So can I say that if I get if I get if I get a smaller sum, can I say that I should increment L? Because if I increment L, the numbers will increase in size, and as the numbers will increase, so there is a possibility that my sum will also increase, and that will be equal to the target. And if I hope you are getting the concept. I'm doing trying my best to explain you. If I get a bigger sum, that means we don't need bigger numbers, we need a smaller numbers. So what are we going to do if we need a smaller number? So for smaller number, what are we going to do? We're going to decrement right pointer r. So when I will decrement this r, I will get smaller numbers, and thus resulting in smaller sum. Because when we get bigger sum, uh, we decrement the pointer to get the sum closer to the target. Okay, I hope you got it, the point. Let's do the code. Left pointer is equal to 0, r pointer is equal to of numbers length of numbers array minus 1. I will run two pointers l while left, right, keep running the loop until left is less than r. Now I will put a condition here. If uh, numbers numbers l plus numbers r equals to target, or I can say less than target. If they are less, then if that they are less than target, or increment left pointer. Elif numbers l plus numbers are greater than, sorry for my typing, it's worst, greater than target, then decrement r. Otherwise, what's the other condition that can happen? Simple, easy. The last condition what will be? Whether they are equal, or whether the sum is less than or greater than, or what's the last thing that can happen? The last thing is that they are equal, the sum is equal to the target. So I don't need to write any condition, I'll simply write else. So if they are equal, simply return the index l comma l plus 1, because we have to increment both r plus 1. Okay, got it. Let's run this code. All the test cases accepted. Let's submit the code. Accepted. So if you want to practice the two pointers, so this is the best question you can pick because it's not a complex. The code is simply pure two pointer approach. There is nothing else. There is nothing else. When I solved this question before, like few months ago, there wasn't this condition increment by one. We just need to return the index number. But they have now added the increment by one. That's why they also highlighted that. So that's why we are doing incrementing L by one and right by one, adding by one in both of the numbers. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept and the logic behind it. If you like the if you like the my explanation, my approach, and if you want more lead code videos and more coding videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.